Hey guys and gals, thanks for coming and checking out my video. I am Sober Chef Eric, and today we're going to be doing a vegan cheese enchilada stack. Super easy, super simple recipe, and super yummy. So hang out after this intro, I'll be right back and we'll get to cooking. Alrighty guys, not too much prep to do, but it's all done. Real simple and easy. I've got one bag of corn tortillas. Now what I do is, to make it fit around the edge of the pan, everything a little nicer, I cut this part off and then I throw it in the freezer, and I use that to make some tortilla soup, which will be upcoming. Then I've got one diced white onion, and I mixed in 1 can of hatch green chilies, just because I love green chilies. Now I'm all out of the chilies that I buy at the Pueblo Chili Festival, but you know, the hatch will definitely work. And then I've got 1 can of Las Palmas enchilada sauce. I kind of think, you know, just for my taste, I like it, you know, but that's my opinion. And like I say, this is going to be super simple, super easy. Then also we're going to be using diet cheese substitute, they're pepper jack style. And we're going to be using our cheddar style diet. So far it's the best cheese substitute that I've found. So let's get right into it. Super simple, super easy, super quick. This is, again, is the Enchilada Stack. And I'm going to start off with about half a cup. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. And we're just going to move it around the pan. And of course, I've already washed my hands. So now we take these and you put the flat edge against the flat edge. And you just decorate them like so. Now normally when you do enchiladas, if you want to do them, you know, more authentic, you would get some oil going, and then you would put the corn tortillas into the oil for a little bit, and then you would put them into some heated up enchilada sauce, and then you would roll them up and put them in a pan. Well, that's, you know, a couple steps that to me aren't truly really necessary. I mean, if I was going to do regular old school enchiladas, then I would do it. But this, as you will see, is a lot quicker and a lot easier. And I've already got my oven preheated to 350. And as you can see, just put a nice little layer of each kind of cheese on there. Or cheese, you might say. Now we're going to put some more tortillas in. And I'm using just a classic OXO baking dish. You know, the old 9x13 that everyone should have in their house. Actually, we'll do this. There we go. Now we're going to put some sauce on. There you go. You just want it nice and covered. Now we're going to do, I'm just doing a couple layers. But this will feed a family of 4. And if you want, you can do, you know, some black beans on the side with a little lime juice and cumin. Yep. But since I live by myself and I don't have any friends coming over tonight, I'm just gonna have the leftovers all for myself. Now what I do when I do a bigger batch of something like this is once it cools down, I'll put it into some nice Ziploc bags, I'll throw it in the freezer, and I've got a quick, easy, super ready to go lunch. And I can just take it to work. One of the few times I will use a microwave as at work. So as you can tell, I used about half the package on the first layer, and I'm going to use the other half of the package on the second layer. Nice, super quick, easy. Ooh, guess what? I'm going to need some fillers. So I'll get a couple of these bad boys that I already cut up. Just a little like that. Little there. Little there. And back in the freezer you go, tortillas. Now, I like mine super saucy. So you won't be able to tell, but I've got about that much left. And so what I'll do with that is I will throw it into a little container and put it in the fridge because I like using it for all kinds of stuff. And now we're going to put some cheese on top just to make it look nice and pretty. And I've got some more over here. And these are just kind of the leftovers of what I've had in the past, and as you can tell, I love using this stuff. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it into that preheated oven, and we're going to cook it at 350 degrees for right about 30 minutes. So the oven's already hot. This is actually the first time I've used the oven in my new apartment. I normally just use my toaster oven. Well, that's it. We're going to come back once it's done through the beautiful magic of editing. So I'll see you in a minute. Alrighty, after 30 minutes in the oven, look at that deliciousness. Alright, now I'm going to serve myself some up, and I'll see you in just 1 second. Alrighty, guys. Let's just take a quick look at this. Oh! Now I'm going to take a bite, and instead of being really hot, ooh, hot temperature, not spice. Ooh. And I love the crunch of those raw onions. Gives it a nice little texture, and the green chilies bring a little bit of heat, but not much. I would still consider this a mild dish. Well, guys, if you like what you saw and you want to see more, then hit that subscribe button. And if you liked the video, hit like. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down. Just let me know why. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate your comments, and I try to get back to every single person that leaves a comment. And you can also DM me on Instagram, and I'll leave my contact info down there. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. And remember, life's too short to eat bad food.